Okay, wait 2-3 minutes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, this is Murshid here, sir. Sir, I'm
yeah,
facing problem while making an attendance, sir. I've
okay.
appeared many classes, but still I face some sort of problem, sir, while making the attendance, sir. Why is it happening, sir? Even though, sir, I am enrolled also.
You enrolled also? You enrolled
Yeah,
in the
I'm
this
enrolled also, sir. Still, I'm facing some problem. So whenever I used to scan the barcode, sir, then it just say currently not available, and
actually you after this time you scan the QR code. It's a complete time. So time is limited. So during this time you
no,
scan the
sir,
QR
same
code.
time,
Okay.
sir, the time when you are sharing those barcodes, sir, still I'm facing that problem, sir.
Okay. Okay. I checked. Okay. I give the attendance 2 days.
So MD Murshid, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. MD Mushid Shakir. Okay. I check the your MS portal. Then
Yes,
next
sir.
class you give the attendance. Okay. Today attendance I marked. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then now start is the biological impurities and their effects. So which type of effects for the biological impurities? If this type of impurities is available in the water, this is suspended particles, the virus, bacteria, and protozoa. Okay, algae, fungus, and seeds and clay. This is the causing waterborne disease, odor, color, turbidity, and turbidity. Okay, this is the causing waterborne disease. This is the viruses, bacteria, protozoa available in suspended particles or the algae fungus. This comes under a suspended. This is the biological impurities. And the dissolved calcium, magnesium salt, hardness, iron, additional compounds, color, taste. These are dissolved in the water. Sodium compound, salt, taste, effect on the teeth, enamels. This is the causes. And lead arsenic, they are toxic. The available dissolved calcium and magnesium salt, this is the hardness, indicate the hardness. Hardness is the more, the calcium magnesium salt is the more quantity available in the water. Iron is the compound, iron compounds is the color change, the color and taste. Sodium compound salt, effect on the taste, effect on the teeth, animal. And lead arsenic is the toxic. The gases is the oxygen O2, carbon dioxide, and the hydrogen sulfide. This is the oxygen, the cohesion. Available the carbon dioxide, CO2 is the cohesion and acidity. And sulfide H2S is the indicate order acidity in the cohesion. So this is the biological impurities available in water. What this type of their effect? So this type of effect of the water bodies. Okay. Then now the water quality standards. First is the I indicate the water quality. How to check? So you are already you test in the lab hardness pH test, hardness test. So what is the value of hardness of drinking water? Anyone? I already told in the class during the class lab. Why the range of the turbidity in the water? Sorry, hardness. For the drinking purpose. No. Okay, this is the physical turbidity and turbidity how to measure the NTU milligram per liter is the 5. Color has an unit milligram per liter is 5 milligram per liter. Order on objectionable order. And the total salt is milligram per liter is 500. This is the chemicals lead milligram per 0.05, arsenic 0.05, iron is the 0.3, magnesium 0.1, hardness is 300. This is the acceptable requirement limit, and the PS is the vary between 6.5 to 8.5 is a standard. And the biological E. coli count, basically E. coli is in 100 ml 0. Ambient test is very important of the E. coli. The one number person is 100 ml, and BO is the 1 ppm. BOD is the greater than 1 ppm. Is the BOD is no, only value is the 1 ppm. 0 is the very good. Acceptable 0 to 3 is acceptable limit. So the BOD.
सर बीओडी तो सर 0 होने से अच्छा रहता है सर.
0 to 3 is acceptable. Okay, 0 to 1
बट ड्रिंकिंग वाटर में तो सर 0 ही.
किसमें? Which type of water?
ड्रिंकिंग वाटर में सर बीओडी 0. ड्रिंकिंग वाटर.
Yeah, drinking water is 0. Yeah, but 0 after testing is 0 is the very good. BOD is 0 is the very good. But 0 to 1 is the 0 to 1, 2, 3 is the acceptable. But 4, 5, 6, 7 it is the not acceptable. Okay. 1 ppm is acceptable. 0
Yes,
BOD is the BOD value is 0 is the very good. In that case, the value is not good than 0. 1 ppm is acceptable. Water requirements. This is the water aeration, sedimentation, and filtration for the water treatment. Aeration, sedimentation is part of the treatment. Then is the gravity filtration, slow sand and rapid sand filter, and the pressure filter. Okay, these are the water treatment process system. 4, coagulation, obtaining of water. 6, disinfection of water. How to disinfect the water? This is the many types of process. Chlorination, boiling, bleaching powder, precursor iodine, potassium permanganate is 2 ppm used per liter. The silver, ozone, ultraviolet rays, UV rays in use in the RO system. There's a RO in the reverse osmosis system, ultraviolet rays. A domestic candle filter. Domestic candle filter, it hardly one is only use the filter, then you treat the water. Okay, but UV rays used in the RO system. In RO system, three types of rod, filter rod is available. First is the SF rod, MF rod. Okay, then pass the charcoal UV. Okay, this is the process for the RO system. This type of system is for the disinfect of the water. Okay, so this is the process of the water treatment. Any doubt? What is aeration? Anyone define aeration? No.
सर एरिएशन में वाटर को एयर के कांटेक्ट में लाया जाता है सर.
Okay, with the contact of the air. And
सर ये सर सिल्वर क्या है सर यहाँ पे?
silver.
सिल्वर.
Use the for disinfection of water. Well, this type of system, you suppose this silver is just like the chemicals. This is potassium permanganate. Okay, potassium permanganate, which type of elements? This is the treatment process for the disinfecting the water. How do they help of the ozone O3, ultraviolet? This type of the system is silver. How to use? How to use the silver? Any idea? Anyone? No idea. Silver is the prevent bacteria. Silver is the prevent bacteria and algae from the using the fuel for the building up in their filter of they can do their jobs. This type of silver using the suppose you take the water in the glass, okay, and this silver used in the water. This process the getting rid of bacterial chlorination and the chlorine and the thiomethanes lead particular the order. Okay, silver ions are being added to the water purification system. Okay, this you already use a community water system and the pools, swimming pools, spas to use the silver. Which place is used? Spa, you understand spa? What is spas? You know? You know about a spa? No, anyone, spa. What is spa?
सर आपका वॉइस ठीक से नहीं आ रहा सर.
नहीं आ रहा है voice. Now? Hello? Now voice is clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, what
Yes.
is spa? Actually, this type of system, silver ions being added to water purification system. Okay, in the hospitals, community water system, pools, and a spa. So what is a spa? You know. No.
No sir.
Spa you know? No. स्पा जो ब्यूटी पार्लर इधर स्पा ब्यूटी पार्लर देखो ब्यूटी पार्लर तक गया जाते हो तुम लोग सब जेंट्स लेडीज ब्यूटी पार्लर स्पा जो स्पा बोलते हैं ना कि स्पा इज नॉट ओपन करंटली इज द लॉकडाउन ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन स्पा इज क्लोज्ड ओके स्विमिंग पूल
Yes sir. उसको तो spa बोलते हैं sir.
जिम इज क्लोज्ड so this is a spa so this is silver used in the spa ठीक है for the water purification system in the water अगर the spa they use the untreated water so this silver ions used in the water so the water is purified then use the spa and the pools swimming pools the hospitals communities water system okay so this is the ion is the disinfection of water disinfection of water okay then now is already known ultraviolet rays a domestic candle filter groundwater quality how to measure the groundwater quality the groundwater is not treated not sorry not treated water is the untreated water there was such type of parameter available in the groundwater the how to measure how to identify this is the maximum acceptable limit of the groundwater quality suppose arsenic available in water this is the acceptable limit is 0.02 milligram per liter this is available in groundwater arsenic is very dangerous for the human bodies okay you get drink the arsenic water available in water the arsenic that your body is the damage the skin disease create a skin disease from the arsenic cadmium 0.0 milligram per liter okay chromium 0.02 fluoride fluoride is which type of effect on the human bodies fluoride available in water which item effect on human body which type of item what
Blue baby disease sir. In children blue baby disease sir.
fluoride okay And lead is a 0.5 milligram per liter, mercury 0.01 in the acceptable limit of the groundwater. pH is a 6.5 by this standard. Okay, nitrate 10.0, conductivity 100 to 200, total dissolved solid 500 milligram per liter, chloride 250, sulfate 1000, colors 5 Hazon unit, biochemicals in demand, BOD 30 milligram, COD is 50 milligram per liter. So this is the groundwater quality for the water groundwater acceptable limit of the this type of parameters. Okay, this type of parameter of the maximum acceptable limit is such. Okay, and any problem? Point of consider, which type of point I consider during the water system? Sources. What is the source of water? Source.
सर पूरा वॉइस ब्रेक कर रहा है सर, वॉइस इज फुल्ली
वॉइस कट जा रहा सर आपका.
Actually, network is very big issues. Now audible? Hello.
Yes sir.
Okay. So the point considered between the water collection system. The first is sources. What is the source of water? Anyone? Source?
river and the groundwater sir.
River is the groundwater.
River,
and
groundwater, rain.
She is lake. No. A storage. In a storage system.
dam and reservoir sir, tanks.
Dam and reservoir.
Dam, reservoir, tanks. Okay. These are the storage of water. Distribution system. Distributions.
Canal system आएगा sir.
Yeah, is the canal system, canal duct, and just I discussed.
Water tanks sir.
Water tanks. And any?
Water supply वाला sir distribution with.
Water supply distribution system.
Water supply distribution system.
Pipes. Yes sir.
And leakage. Leakage all are known.
सर वाटर सप्लाई सिस्टम में जो पाइप्स वगैरह ढीला हो जाता है या फिर कहीं से भी पानी चोरी कर लेता है तो उसको
yeah मतलब flow of water the joint on the pipe joint, this is the leakage. Purification method. Purification.
So sand filter and rapid sand filter sir, the best example.
And any other? Only rapid sand and slow sand.
नहीं sir, RO वगैरह all are.
Natural method, there are two types of method is used, natural and artificial. In the natural purification method, what the point considers during the water treatment, but to both natural and artificial. The natural purification method, currently I discussed.
Our environment sir, rain, evaporation, condensation.
Yeah, evaporation and condensation.
All are. Water cycle.
Water cycle? No. Boiling? By the natural system, na? And artificial method. With the double.
Our treatment plants.
Yeah, treatment process, aeration, sedimentation, Okay, this type of user population. So this system is called artificial method. Source of contamination. What is the source of contamination of the water? क्या होगा source of contamination?
Sewage waste, sir.
Huge waste. This source. What is source of contamination? Water. Contamination of water. Water contamination. The source of contamination is the pollution. मतलब source of water pollution.
Industries.
Source of water pollution is the called contamination also. How to pollute the water from the source of which type of sources of the polluted water. Agriculture process. The source of contamination. This is the first.
Factories or hospitalized waste.
Yeah, hospital
waste.
Of industrial waste. The source of contamination.
Yes.
Accidental spills, soil spills. Okay, milk dairies can also affect the quality of water. Okay, these are the unwanted materials such that the agriculture, okay, industrial, hospital, sewage, all are directly discharged in the water river. This is the water pollution. This is a source of the contamination. Quality monitoring. How to monitor the quality of water? How to monitor the quality of water? Any idea?
Yes, and nothing.
What?
सर हम लोग कहाँ पे वेस्ट डिपॉजिट कर रहे हैं सर, कहाँ से ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट में वाटर ले रहे हैं सर, दिस इज द क्वालिटी मॉनिटरिंग.
Okay. Okay. Quality monitoring. How to monitor quality? Which type of water that it is discharged on the water bodies, means rivers, lake. How to monitor the quality?
सर वॉइस नहीं आ रहा.
Means how to water quality monitoring of water. Which type of water discharged in river? Suppose use waste water. Suppose sewage waste water. Suppose household water. Use a directly discharge in the river, but not. The water quality is the very bad. Industrial wastewater directly discharge in the river. So the water quality monitoring is the bad. मतलब water quality is the bad. But you after treated water, you discharge in the river. That is the quality monitoring is the good. It is not. This is the water quality is the good. Okay. So quality monitoring is very important. Okay. So the environmental departments always monitor the quality of water. But in this system, in this scenario, but no any environment department measure or monitor the quality of water, because industrial wastewater directly decomposed, discharge in the river, sewage directly discharge. So the environmental care department not any take the step regarding this. Okay, this is the very important. After treatment, after treated water, you directly discharge the river. This is very good. For directly discharge, the environmental condition is bad. Water quality is bad. Aquatic life is dead, day to day. directly effect on the water aquatic life and the human, also human. Okay, sweater surveillance. What is the sweater surveillance? Surveillance. This is the related to the drinking water supply. With the continuous and the vigilance of the public health assessment or review of the safety and acceptable of the drinking water. So this is the sweater surveillance. Okay, in this system, monitor the water quality, which type of water quality supply to the public. Okay, this is the public health assessment and review of the safety and the acceptability of the drinking water. This comes under the sweater surveillance. Okay, so this type of point consider under the water quality. क्या गया?
Wait वाला point.
Sweater surveillance is the related to the drinking water quality supply. Drinking water supply means you continuously assessment the water continuously. This is regarding the health and the review of the safety. What is the safety means? This type of water acceptable of the drinking purpose, acceptability of the drinking purpose. As an example, suppose pH value. pH values vary between 6.5 to 8.5. This is a standard value pH. Okay, agar your water values the lies between this 6.5 to 8.5, this is the acceptable. So this is the sweater surveillance, under the sweater surveillance. Suppose your hardness, take the hardness value. The below the 60 ppm. Okay, so your drinking purpose, use the water for drinking purpose. This under the surveillance of the guidelines. Follow this type of guidelines, follow the drinking water quality. So this is the sweater surveillance. Okay, मतलब you
सीवेज सर्वेंट वो दोनों सेम ही होगा ना तब सर?
सिमिलर सर. Yeah, what fish again? Water quality.
Quality monitoring.
Quality monitoring or this is the different. Quality monitoring different. In the sweater surveillance.
Sir, quality monitoring. So क्वालिटी मॉनिटरिंग में भी तो हम लोग पीएच वगैरह सारा चेक करते हैं ना सर?
नो उसमें तो चेक करते हैं, ठीक है, वो चेक करते हैं, बट उसमें क्या है, चेक तो करते हो कि हाँ क्वालिटी मॉनिटरिंग में चेक कर रहे हैं, बट उसमें चेक करते हैं कि किस टाइप का वाटर सप्लाई कर रहा है, मतलब उसको तुमको तो टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा ना, डायरेक्टली ऑन द साइड तुम चेक नहीं कर सकते हो कि हाँ जब उसको तुम ले जाओगे लैब में देन यू टेस्ट द वाटर. बट क्वालिटी मॉनिटरिंग में से कि वो मॉनिटर द क्वालिटी, मतलब तू साइट पे जाकर क्वालिटी मॉनिटरिंग कर रहे हो, बट क्या होता है इंडस्ट्रीज में डायरेक्टली वाटर सप्लाई डायरेक्टली डिस्चार्ज द वाटर इन द रिवर क्वांटिटी द वाटर. हम लोग वहां बोल रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे तो जो वाटर डिस्चार्ज हो रहा है वो तो अनट्रीटेड हो रहा है, बट दिस द सर्विलेंस दे फॉलो द गाइडलाइंस. ओके, दिस द टर्म्स अंडर द स्वेटर सर्विलेंस.
तो quality monitoring is a field method and Sweden is a laboratory method.
Yeah, laboratory method. Quality monitoring. How to monitor the quality of water? How to monitor? Means after getting the test.
Okay.
Then you quality monitoring.
Okay.
Okay. But in this system, sweater surveillance, you follow the guidelines of the drinking water quality. These are given by the WHO. Okay, suppose pH is the vary between 6.5 to 8.5. As a vary, this is the terms under the sweater surveillance. Okay, hardness below the 60. So all follow the guidelines under the sweater surveillance. Okay, this is a point considered for the water quality. Interventions. What interventions? This is the important role of the sanitation and safe water in maintaining health has been recognized for the centuries. Suppose 1980s International Drinking Water Supply and Sanitation Decades. Okay, review of the effectiveness of various levels of water supply and sanitation published. This is the interventions of the water supply. This is the hygiene is 33%. Okay, water quality 20%, water quantity. The quality is the 15. Water quality and quantity both are the 17%. Sanitation is the 36%, and the water and sanitation both are the 30%. This is the percentage reduction in the diocese illness. Okay. This is the hygiene, 33% hygiene, and water quantity is 20, water quality is 15, and both quantity and quality is 17%, sanitation 36, and water and sanitation both and 30%. Intervention classification, hygiene and sanitation. Hygiene include hygiene and health, education, and the encouragement of the specific behavior such as hand washing. This is the hygiene. In current situation, daily to hand wash 1 to 2 minutes, and many times you have washed the hand. This is the hygiene. Sanitation, those interventions that provide some means of the excreta. Okay, means excreta disposal is usually the provision of latrines at public or private level. This is sanitation. डिस्पोजल ऑफ excreta तुम लोग को हम पढ़ाए थे क्या क्लास में कभी? Any? Disposal of excreta discuss about in class? No. Yes. No. Okay, then this is the usually provision of latrine the public or private level. This is the disposal excreta. Classifications to the water supply includes the provision of a new water source and improved distribution system. Okay, such as installation of hand pumps and a household connection. This is the water quality. These were related to the provision of water treatment either at source or household level. Depend on the water treatment, the source or household level. Which type of source? Industrial source, household source, a domestic source. So this is the water quality. Okay. There are multiple. Those which introduce water, sanitation, hygiene, okay, or health, education element to the study population. Depend on the sanitation, hygiene, or the study of the population. This is the meta-analysis. Developing countries, okay. This is the depend on the hygiene, sanitation, water supply, water quality, and the multiple sanitation, water, sanitation, hygiene, and the education. The developing country. A developed country not use this type of system. Okay. Developing country depend on the first 5: hygiene, sanitation, water supply, water quality, and multiple. This is a source of water, sanitation. This is hygiene, hand washing, educations. Okay, and water supply, community improvements and household connections, and water quality, source and point of use. So this is the meta-analysis of the water for the developing country. Suppose India is a developing country. Okay, so India is a developing country. India uses this type of system. Water is a hygiene, sanitation, water supply, water quality is good, water is not good, multiple system, water sanitation, in hygiene process, hand washing, education. So these are the meta-analysis. This is the significance, objectives and overall outputs, how to improve the water quality and improve the health. Okay. So obtain the strategic objective, obtain the must or equivalent evidence regarding the waste quality and health. Okay, the overall output, work plan established the evidence base published, inform WHO, normative work on the water quality and health. Provide or harm water quality management guidelines of supportive sources. There is a guideline of support standard setting and the regulations and the resources developed by the guidelines developed by the countries. Okay, facilitated an implementation of water quality activities through the partnership and the support of the member state. Okay, so these are the significance, improve the water quality and the improved health. This is an overview of the WHO water quality guidelines supporting the structures and the guidelines of the support standard setting and regulations. Okay, these are the follows. Supporting resources to assist in the interpretation and application of the guidelines. Network support implementation. This is the guidelines, drinking water quality 2011. This type of follow the guidelines, setting a regulation. And supporting resources. So many types of support resources. The water quality control, distribution system. Okay, WSP, the climate change, training material for the organized pipe supplies. Okay, these are the supporting resources. Network resources, regulation network, water quality monitoring, present fact sheet, a small community water supply management network, water safety plan, household water treatment. Okay, operation and maintenance network. These are comes under the network and support implementation. Under guidelines support and setting regulations is very important. The periodic review and revision. Extended group of drinking water, wastewater, and reactional water. The guideline was safe use of wastewater and SCATA agriculture and aquaculture. Safe use, water, wastewater and SCATA. क्या?
Sir, water safe plant.
Water
Safety plant.
Where water setting.
Sir, water safety plant, sir. Third network to support.
Septic tank.
Sir, third point, sir.
Third point of the which guidelines for support standard.
Water
safety plan.
The WSP.
Yeah, water safety
plan.
Yes,
sir.
Yeah. This is a safety plan. The water safety plan is the how to promote the quality of water, check the water quality, and how to dispose the water in the river. This is a safety plan. How to make the save the water. How to make the plan. So there's a regional, state, district, all are the made the plan. The regional WSP network. You make the network. How to save the water. Okay, you develop the plan. This is the water safety plan. The regional WSP network, a scaling program in WHO, Asia and the WP region. You arrange the program in the state level, district level, and the village area. Okay, how